Hello, welcome. So it's not okay. So in this video, I will share you my full stack development projects. So means end-to-end projects I have created with front end, middleware, and back end. So I have used here in this project. I have used here uh, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery for a front end. So for middleware, I have used Express, and for server side I have used Node.js, and for a backends means database I have used MongoDB. So it is a very end-to-end project. So means front end, middleware, and backend. So let me share my source code. With source code, these are the source code for front ends. So where I have, so this is the logical means this is the JavaScript and jQuery code. So you can see this function login function components. These are the JavaScript and jQuery code logical. Okay, this is the style for CSS. This is the body tag. Okay, so let me open on live server. It will take on browser. Okay, this is my front end page. For this is the registration page. I have created a user authentication. For that we have to you have to register with your username, email ID, and password. Okay, so it will take on login page. Okay, so your all the detail in went to backend. So then it will take on login page. Then that in login page you have to enter your username and password. So for that you have to remember what you enter, mm, username and password. Okay, so this is a not only looking very creative, but it is very responsive and dynamic page. So let's check some. I will show some logic here. So let's these are the input fields. If we click this register button without filling this input box, so it will give you some error message like that. Okay, so field required field, so means this arrayed field. So this is all field is require unless you fill this, until you have to fill this blank. So it will, if we take this input is blank, then it will show this error message. Okay, so for that this all the field is mandatory. So let's create username. So I'm creating my name. For username Shubham. Okay, so you have to remember email ID. You can do anything. Sorry, gmail.com. Okay, so let's create passwords. So I will create some simple password like 000 040. I have. Okay, so you have to remember this Shubham username and password. Now enter city. So my city is Chandrapur. Okay, now register. It will take to login page. Okay, register successful. This is the alert message. Okay, this is the login page. This all this page is also responsive and dynamic. So let's click this. These are the button back and login. Let's click this button on this button without entering any details. So it will take, so it will show some error message. Okay, so please enter username and password. Let's check another logic. If we enter any password is wrong, and so it will give you this error, you enter wrong password or username. So for that you have to enter correct password and username. Okay, so I have, so we have created username like Shubhu. Okay, so let's enter password. We have created a password 40, means 4 times 0, 0 0 0 0. Okay, sure. Okay, 0. Now click on login button. It will take on shopping page. So your user authentication is completed. Okay, so boom, so it will take on this page. So this that was all about the login page, sorry, user authentication. So after completing user authentication, it will take on this page. This is the shopping page. So it was very hard task for me. Okay, so this, you can see this very this like e-commerce website. This is the footer, this is the poster. Click on shop page. Okay, this is the shop page. So it is not working properly because I now I am working on there. Okay, so let's, this is the, so you have also log out. So if we click here, so it will take on the registration page. Okay, so that's all about my user ID. So user authentication, end-to-end projects. So let me share you, let me show you. This is the server side, express middleware, and this is the express for middleware. It is connected to database in MongoDB. Our server is work on, server is started, so record is inserted. When we enter the all the details and register, then it will show you like a console, this record is inserted. Okay, that's all about my project. Okay, so thanks so much for watching this video.